Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Harshada. Today I've created this look, as you can see, using all products from PAC Cosmetics. Well, 99.99% products from PAC. Some of them may be from another brand, like maybe an eyebrow definer or a color corrector, because maybe I did not need it, or maybe I did not find the right thing that I was looking for in PAC. But most of the other products are all from PAC Cosmetics, and this is a look that I've created using products from PAC. Let me just begin with saying that PAC is one of my favorite brands when it comes to makeup shopping, because they are not only affordable, they are extremely good quality products, and for that kind of money, I mean, I'm shook. And I have never had any kind of allergies or skin issues. Sometimes, you know, we have this thing in the head, if the makeup is cheap, sometimes maybe it's not good quality, but I have never had issues like that. I'm so pleased with the brand. So this time I decided to go makeup shopping, like go crazy shopping at PAC, which I did. You will find out in the video that's coming up. I have bought literally everything from PAC, right from concealer to foundation to contour to blusher to everything, like every single thing from PAC. Of course, maybe a little here and there I may have not bought because maybe I did not like the product, but otherwise I've bought everything from PAC. So if you are interested in watching today's video, which is a tutorial slash insight into the brand, please keep watching till the end. So without further delay, let's begin. I'm mostly going to do a voiceover because it's just convenient and I can explain things properly, because usually when I speak while I'm doing my makeup, it just becomes a long ass video and I don't want it to be like super long. I want to keep it crisp and short and nice. So starting from now, it'll be a voiceover mostly. So yeah, let's begin. So first I'm going to start prepping my skin, for which I'm using this moisturizer by Clinique. It is a 72 hours moisture surge moisturizer. Then I'm going to prep my eyelids for the eye makeup. I'm using the PAC Cosmetics concealer, and you can see it's super pigmented. I just used one drop and that is the coverage. It's insane. So I would suggest use very little. It's time to groom the brows, for which I'm using the Benefit Brow Go brow palette. I'm not using a PAC product for this, just FYI. It's always a good idea to clean up your brows a little bit with the same concealer, just so that it looks a lot more defined and in shape, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. For the eyes today, I'm going to use the Ultimate Shadow Box Luxe Collection palette. It is a neutrals palette, and I'm going on with this light brown color in my outer crease area. For the crease, I'm going to go in with this dark brown color, and I'm going to define my crease area. All I'm going to do is apply this color in the outer V so that it gives a nice definition to my eyes. For the lids, I'm using this palette called Dark Secret palette. It is number 1. It is a glitter eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this champagne color. You can see how pigmented it is, and you could just apply directly with your fingers. You don't need to use a wet brush or anything. Now comes the favorite part, wherein I'm going to create a nice cat eye using the Accupro Precision Stroke eyeliner. It is a pen with a nice pointy tip, which will give you superb control on your wing. So what I like to do is first make the wing, place the wing exactly where I like it to be, and then I kind of draw the line towards the inner corner of the eye, I also make sure that the inner corners of the eye are thinner as compared to the outer V. That kind of gives a very sexy appearance of the cat eye. Moving on to the face, I first like to color correct as usual. So I'm going to use this orange corrector by LA Girl Cosmetics. This is again a non-pack product that I'm using in today's tutorial. So first I like to use it on all dark spots, pigmentations, under eye bags, and blend it into the skin nicely. For the foundation, I'm using the HD Liquid Foundation in number 3.0, and then I'm going to blend it using a makeup blender. This makeup blender is also by PAC Cosmetics. At this point, it may look like the skin is too brightened up, or maybe the foundation is very light in color, but don't worry. As we move on through the video, you'll realize that it blends really well into the skin, and with all the bronzing and contouring, it just sits right. Using the same concealer that we used earlier, I'm going to highlight my under eyes, and then I'm going to blend it right in using the same makeup blender. To set the base makeup in place, I'm using their Studio Finish Compact Powder. This is in number 10, and I'm going to use it under my eyes and lightly dab it across my face. For an added definition to the eyes, I'm using the same dark brown color from the palette, and I'm going to swipe it across my lower lash line, just below the lower lash line rather. To contour my cheeks, I'm using the Studio Blusher in number 004. I'm going to use this to create a definition on the cheeks. For highlighting, I'm using the Baked Highlighter in number 08. I absolutely love this color. It is a beautiful gold champagne color, and it will look beautiful on any dusky or deep-skinned woman. It is always a good idea to highlight the higher planes of your face, which means the brow bone, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin area, and generally the area around your forehead, just about your brows. To contour my nose, I'm going to use the same color that I used on my cheeks, and I'm going to create the illusion of a very sharp, straight nose. Obviously, this look is not going to be complete without a nice pair of falsies. I'm using the PAC falsies in number 52. For the lips, I'm using this lip liner called Beauty Queen, and going on with this lipstick called Brunch. And that's it. That's the finished look. So that is the completed look, guys. I've kept it really simple, but I just wanted to make sure that I use most of the products that I've bought from PAC Cosmetics. I've bought a lot more, but I obviously cannot accommodate all of them in one video. So yeah, that was today's look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me say this one more time. PAC is bomb in terms of quality, pricing, value for money, payoffs. Everything is just so good. Like, I'm so happy that there is a brand like this available to us, which is so good without being super expensive. Like, you know, some brands are so expensive for the quality of products that we buy, but for this brand I am so happy. As a makeup artist, I just feel it is a blessing to have a brand like PAC Cosmetics, which makes professional range of makeup and at affordable prices. I hope that gave you an insight into the brand, so that next time you go shopping in PAC Cosmetics, you exactly know what you want to buy. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to share it with your friends, like it, leave your feedback in the comments because that means so much to me, and obviously subscribe if you haven't already. On that note, I'll take your leave. You take care of yourself. Bye guys.